Good morning. Health Ministry has on Monday said that using of N-95 mask, especially those have respiratory valve such as this kind of mask, N-95 mask. I know this is not the original N-95 mask; it's a duplicate mask. And this kind of world or through which we it helps for respiration, means if I wear this mask properly, then I will feel good that I will not be able I can breathe properly. So health ministry said that it is inappropriate to use such kind of N95 mask basically who has this respiratory world, because as per health ministry, which they said Monday, that this kind of masks don't prevent the virus to escape out from the mask. For example, if a person is having say asymptomatic patients of coronavirus, now that person uses this mask, and because he can and through this valve the person is inhaling and air is passing from here, from this valve. Now what happens if a person is a asymptomatic corona person infected? He will when he will do the breathing, and the air will pass from this valve, and the person who was sitting or there around him will also be infected. So health ministry said that this N95 mask, especially with this respiratory valve, is inappropriate. Yes, at the same time health ministry said that N95 mask is suitable for, it can be, you can say it's a way of say one way protection. It can happen. The person who is wearing this mask can be protected, but if that person is carrying coronavirus and breathing while using this mask, the air will pass from this valve, and it will get infected and it will spread the virus, and those person near him or her will also get infected. So health ministry said N95 are not suitable, especially this respiratory valve one. Now the question is, this is a duplicate one. At the same time, there are these N95 masks are very expensive, and we can and very popular. Everybody is buying N95 mask. But suddenly, if health ministry is coming out and saying no, these are some problems, and at the same time health ministry is encouraging that you should make a mask, homemade masks made out of cotton, so that the health ministry wants the mask should cover the entire face. So now health ministry is saying, coming out with all this thing, when people had purchased with a higher price of N95 mask, and at the same time if you see, there are surgical masks are also there, and but surgical masks are all one time use. So now the question is what we should do. If one time we know that coronavirus is also can give airborne, and if you don't wear mask, especially then there is a problem. So we can say that homemade mask try to cover the face. That is the main objective with what the health ministry is trying to say. N95 masks with this respiratory valve are not suitable. So if you are wearing N95 mask with this valve, you can protect yourself, but if you are having some symptoms or you are a person is an asymptomatic patient, that patient will spread the virus. Now I see in television number of masks kept, and everybody gives lots of suggestion. Now when there is a problem of mask, when there is a problem in mask, that yes, not only wearing mask you can get away from this deadly virus. So what can be done? According to me, sanitizing your hand is much more important. Because if you see in television and everywhere, they are saying wearing mask will not only prevent this deadly coronavirus infection, but when nothing is there, now they are telling N-95 mask we should not wear. We should wear homemade cotton mask just to cover our face. So we have already purchased this mask with a higher price. So I feel washing it, you wear mask, you do. I'm not expert of all this thing, but as per my thinking, whenever you come from outside or wherever you go outside, talk or whatever you do, keep your sanitizer with you. Wash your hand or sanitize your hand properly, so that you don't get infected. And try to cover your face with homemade things, with dupatta or whatever it is, because gradually it is showing that yes, you can buy mask, but only wearing mask will not prevent you from this deadly coronavirus. So yes, there is if we are using this kind of N95 mask with a world respiratory, there is a high potential of spreading of this deadly virus. Unknowingly we will be spreading the deadly virus. So yes, this was the news that came on Monday. So I thought of sharing with you कि भाई N95 मास्क अगर आपने खरीदा है और अगर इस पे वल्व है, वो रेस्पिरेटरी वल्व है, तो वो कभी कुछ काम का नहीं है. यस, वो आप ही को बचा सकता है, पर अगर किसी के पास किसी को एसिम्प्टोमेटिक पेशेंट है, अगर एसिम्प्टोमेटिक पेशेंट है, तो वो वल्व के माध्यम से वो जब सांस लेंगे, तो वो जो सांस छोड़ेंगे तो वो वहां से वो निकलेगा और उनके आजू बाजू जो भी रहेंगे वो सबको स्प्रेड करेगा. सो हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री सेड यूजिंग ऑफ N95, especially the world respiratory one, is inappropriate. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.